Hey Zoe, guess what? It's your year anniversary of being here at Desert Tales Shelter. And yes, I did get you a cupcake. But hold up. We're not gonna eat it right now, hold on. So this is Zoe, she's 7 to 8 years old. She's a pit bull and she's been in and out of shelters for her whole life. She's also been here at this shelter for a whole entire year. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spoil her. She deserves a treato and some fun. So she's gonna get this cupcake. You ready? All right, I just gotta unwrap it. Okay, happy anniversary, babies. Oh. There you go. Is it moist or dry? Looks pretty fire. How is that? How is that, Zoe girl? How is it? Did you enjoy it? Cupcakes are 100% scrumptious. Hey Zoe, do you want to go on a walk? I think you deserve to go on a walk for your anniversary. So we have her harness on here. We have a little leash. Let's go take you. Let's go to the canal. Come on. Woohoo! All right, which way do you want to go? This way? Come on. All right, babies, where are we going now? Let's follow the leader. You're the leader. Today's all about you, girl. You want to go on a jog? Oh, that's nice, huh? What was that? Is that a bird? Zoe, you're so good on the leash. Keep in mind that this is a rescue dog. She lives at the shelter. We do take her out every now and then, but she is so good on this leash. She's hardly even pulling. I'll walk you every day, Zoe. You're a good girl. Good girl. Come on. There you go. Good girl. All right, Zoe. Oh, you already know where to go. Good girl. That was a splendid little walk. Beautiful out. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy that I could spoil you today, babies. All right, everybody. Well, we just made it back. Zoe girl had a blast on her walk. Now you've got your favorite toy, don't ya? Don't ya? Thanks so much for hanging out. Happy anniversary, baby girl. I hope you find a very loving home soon. You're such an amazing dog. You just need more love each day, huh? Alright, everybody. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. This is Zoe, and we spoiled her for her first year anniversary here at the shelter. Stay tuned for more episodes and more content. We'll see you guys later.